Hi, it's your boy. I'm back. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're not, hello. Hello. Ew. What I meant to say was, hello. Also, I tried to do something different with my hair today. I feel like this is the Walmart version of like Jungkook's hair. Roast myself. So the other day I was scrolling on Instagram and I saw this picture of Spongebob. You probably already know where this is going. Basically, it just reminded me of when I was a small, innocent child and I didn't know anything like wig, ASMR, Leanda Flacca, Schuster. So I did a Google image search of SpongeBob characters and I was like,
wow.
There are a lot of iconic looks in a children's cartoon. So today, I'm gonna recreate them. Why? For fun, of course, duh. SpongeBob circa 2018. SpongeBob has always been a relevant queen. You know who invented fun? SpongeBob. But yes, like I said, I've always been a SpongeBob stan. I feel like Squidward is my spirit animal though, and my brain cells are Patrick. If they're not Patrick yet, my brain cells are definitely going to be Patrick after this video. So the first thing that I want to do is to find pieces of clothing in my closet so I can recreate those outfits. Today I'm going to recreate 3 different outfits. I will let you know what they are in 2 seconds. Okay, so I'm just going to check my closet quickly. This is my closet. Hello. I feel like there's already pieces in here that I can use to make SpongeBob outfit. Ooh, that could be something. Ooh, SpongeBob. Wow. Ooh, there's that. Oh my god, so many possibilities. Was SpongeBob my fashion icon ever since I was 5 years old? I was also thinking that if I don't have the right pieces to make the outfit, I could go to the thrift store, buy more clothes. But then I remembered, I don't drive. Oh, whoa. I could take the bus, but she's kind of
Cancelled.
Honestly, public transportation in my city is so bad. The government has left the chat. I could take a taxi, but if I was rich, I wouldn't be making this video. Okay, well, let me quickly compose myself and figure this stuff out. BRB. Okay, so I think I have everything prepared. So the very first outfit that I'm gonna recreate is the one where SpongeBob got sick. It's the episode where he's like, I'm going to the doctor, Patrick. I'm sick. But like, honestly, mood. But the thing is, the picture that I actually saw was on Instagram and I thought it was the actual outfit that SpongeBob wore, but it was an edit. So the outfit looks like this, but in the edited version, everything was black. So I thought that was the real outfit that he wore because I was like, oh my god, that is such a sick ass outfit. I would literally wear that. That is literally me. I've looked like that before. I've probably worn that outfit. I feel like I look like this when I pretend to be sick at work, so they send me home.
I'm just kidding.
Please don't fire me, work. I'm just joking. So the outfit that I made is all black. I guess I'm not actually a SpongeBob stan. I am so sorry, everyone. Can I be excused for the rest of my life? See how many SpongeBob quotes you can find in this video. Every SpongeBob quote is one step closer to you guys unsubscribing. Okay, so this is the sick outfit. Wow.
Sickening.
That was supposed to be a death drop. Here are some black shorts like the ones that SpongeBob wears. This is that big jacket that he wore to keep himself nice and warm when he's dying. This is the blackest toque I can find. This is actually my dad's. I couldn't have made this video without my father. Thank you so much, my biggest fan. Here's a black scarf for covering up your sneezes that are full of bacteria. And these are some socks I'm gonna wear that are kind of similar to SpongeBob's. I'm gonna wear some black shoes with those as well. Okay, let me show you guys what I look like. Okay, here's my first SpongeBob outfit. This is the one where he's sick. Pretend I'm opening the door and I'm like SpongeBob. Hello, Patrick. I sick. Okay, so I have his scarf. I have his black, like, bomber type jacket. Also, I'm wearing shorts. Can y'all see? And I also have those long white striped socks that SpongeBob wears. Also, do you remember when I showed you this toque and it was gray? Well, I actually flipped it around so it's the proper black color. Also, don't look on the back of my head because I think it looks bad. Haha, oops. Yes, here, let me give you a full body shot. When Patrick's like, SpongeBob, they make you wait in the waiting room at the hospital and you have to read magazines. Hello. Is this Patrick? Why am I standing like that? I love SpongeBob. That he wouldn't do that. What would he do? Oh, I should wear the shoes that he was wearing, but I can't get my floor dirty. Oh no. Can you see my shoes? Hello, my name is not Rick. Okay, so here's the second outfit. Also, sorry, I'm eating. I just noticed I barely ate anything all day, so I was actually dying. So yeah, sorry, I just needed a snack. So this outfit is kind of a risky choice. It's definitely a choice. You know that episode of SpongeBob where SpongeBob's wearing a Squidward shirt? His iconic brown shirt? The reason why it's kind of risky is because there's no pants in this outfit. Is it just me, or are some of the characters from SpongeBob, they're kind of like thoughts? You know, every character from SpongeBob is a thought. Be gone, thought! First of all, look at them wearing no pants, no shirts. Second of all, who do you think is thicker, Mr. Krabs or Patrick? No, serious question. Who's thicker, Patrick or Mr. Krabs? Leave it in the comments, fam. Okay, so I didn't have a brown polo shirt, but I have this brown button-up shirt, which is a similar color. The length of the shirt is actually really nice because it's long enough to cover my stuff. Just kidding. I'm actually gonna wear pants, but I'm gonna wear some shorts. So hopefully the shirt's long enough to cover these shorts so it looks like I'm not wearing pants, because that's the look. Do you guys remember that episode where Patrick was telling a story and he was like, once upon a time,
there was an ugly barnacle. He was so ugly that everyone died.
That is a big mood, honestly, when you feel so ugly that everyone dies. So here's the next outfit. Oh my god, I don't know guys, I'm really trying my best here. So here's my long ass brown shirt and look, pants. What a surprise. This shirt isn't actually that long. Like when I stand up, I don't know if you can even see. Oh boy. Like when I stand up, you can still see shorts. So I think this outfit's a fail. The shirt is an extra large, but I think it means that it's extra large going sideways and not long ways. Where are you supposed to get a long ass brown polo that's like long enough to be a dress? I don't know, man. Aritzia? Hello? Okay, well this is what it looks like. Full body. Look at me, a thoughty SpongeBob character. Who'd have thought? Am I cosplaying right now? Mood. I really thought these shorts were like short shorts, but I guess they're not. They're regular. What if these are actually just normal shorts and I actually put them up all the way here? You'll never know. Alright, so the last outfit that I'm doing is from good old Mr. Krabs. Can you feel it now, Mr. Krabs? It's just the basic outfit that he wears in every single episode. This is such a dad outfit. I would probably wear this in real life. Shows up to New York Fashion Week in a SpongeBob inspired outfit. Maybe she snapped. Mr. Krabs is like a pretty simple guy. Loves money. I think there was a quote where he was like, what's the 5-letter word for happiness? Money. Which, same. Also, what's the 5-letter word for happiness? Like, I can't even think of anything. Food? Sleep? Maybe. But for Mr. Krabs, I have his iconic blue polo shirt. He's also wearing a white shirt underneath that, so I have this white shirt. I have a iconic black dad belt. And also the pants, I'm not 100% sure. I have two options. I have a pair of jeans which are closer to the color of his pants. I also have these pants which are also closer to his pants. Not their color per se, but more of the style. Because it doesn't seem like he's wearing jeans. I don't know, man. It's hard being like a fashion guru. Alright, so here's the last outfit. Honestly, guys, I'm kind of shook. I think I did something, y'all. But hey, Mr. Krabs who? Oh my god.
Ta-da.
First of all, the two pants that I was deciding between, I was gonna wear the jeans first, but I don't fit them anymore. What's going on, man? Do you remember when I used to be skinny? What happened? It's because I'm eating good every single day. Literally every hour. So I had to go with option number 2, which I feel like are a better choice. So these are his iconic blue pants. As you can see, I'm wearing that iconic... Whoopsies. As you can see, I'm also wearing that iconic black belt, his blue polo shirt, and his white shirt underneath. Just ignore that Lacoste brand. Not sponsored, but let me just blur that out. It's me, Mr. Krabs. Can you feel it now, Mr. Krabs? Because I can. Wig! I did something. This outfit is kind of perfect. Okay, so this might be kind of tea, but when I look at myself in the viewfinder, I kind of look like Jungkook from the Dope music video. I shouldn't have said that. The armies are coming to dislike my video. So this is what the full outfit looks like. I'm also not wearing shoes because Mr. Krabs wasn't wearing shoes. I just feel like a dad. Oh my god, I keep getting Jungkook vibes from this. What if I take off my glasses? Oh my god. 안녕하세요. Jungkook입니다.
Are you ready, kids?
Okay. How was that? How did I do? Good, maybe? I don't know, man. I feel like some of them were pretty accurate. Definitely some of them. I guess the main point of this video is for you guys to know how much of a SpongeBob stan I am. Oh yeah, I did ask you guys a question. Don't ignore me, please. But who is thicker, Patrick or Mr. Krabs? Leave it in the comments. Or if you just want to leave an emoji, you can leave a star or maybe a mayo. One of those two emojis for Patrick. And then if you think Mr. Krabs is thicker, leave a crab or a money emoji. I just want to figure out who your bias is. That's all. Who's the thicker bias? But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want, you can subscribe or you can hit that bell notification button and then you will see this type of content pop up on your YouTube dash all the time if that's what you want. Yeah, this was actually really fun. I might do it again with another TV show. Have a good rest of your day and I will see you in the next video. Bye!